Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 9 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this gunmetal coal. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal preference. The base color that I'm going to be using today is Pink Shellac Beautiful Black. I'll also be using Pink Shellac's Ultra Shine No Wipe Top Coat, and the pigment I'm using today is Sally Hansen Gunmetal. Next, I'm going to move on to the bubble coat. I've got my no wipe top coat, and I'm going to move 2 nails at a time with the curing so that the bubbles don't have time to evaporate or pop. I think I would have a little bit of trouble with that if I tried to do 4 at a time, but I think that 2 at a time should be just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and get the top coat applied here. Not too thin, not too thick, and it doesn't hugely matter if it's 100% even. Then I've got my cup of bubbles over here. I'm going to scoop it on, dab it, and repeat that on the other nail before I stick them both in to cure. Once I have all the nails textured, I'm going to go ahead and add in the pigment. This is kind of called gunmetal, but I would almost describe it more as like a frosty pigment. It turns black gunmetal, but it does not turn other colors to gunmetal. It just makes them kind of shiny and frosty. I'm going to go ahead and buff that onto all my nails, and then buff it on a little more and wipe away the excess with a clean sponge. Finally, I'm going to finish off with the top coat, and I'm going to be adding another layer of the Pink Shellac Ultra Shine. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. Obviously this is coal inspired, since real coal is neither shiny nor gunmetal colored, but I wanted to find a way to incorporate this soap bubble technique into the series, and I think this worked out really well. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. If you'd like to join me live, you can come follow at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.